So we've come all the way up to Edinburgh on a road trip, and we're here in a huge office space at a company called X Design. Now our fitters are about halfway through the project. You can see them just behind me working hard, and the carpet tiles they've used is mainly Milliken and FORBO. So let's go and take a look. This office space has multiple meeting rooms, so we're in meeting room 1, and in this meeting room they've actually gone with Pantone's colour of the year. So we can see the lovely grey and yellow, so very on trend. Now the yellow is FORBO TESSERA layout and the grey is FORBO TESSERA CLOUDSCAPE. Now as I said, it's Pantone's colour of the year, but the yellow really does bring the space alive. Now this is such a bright office design, so we had the yellow in the other room and now we've got this lovely bright pink from the FORBO TESSERA layout range, and again they've stuck with the FORBO TESSERA CLOUDSCAPE in this room. Both colours work insane together, so let's go and take a look at some of the other rooms. So our fitters have used the Bostik adhesive and our very own Dctuk UK sticky stuff to lay these carpet tiles down today. So as you can see, this is a really cool and intricate design. We've got some FORBO vinyl here, some Milliken and FORBO tiles as already mentioned. There's diagonal cuts, there's really intricate cuts, but that's not a problem for our fitters. So if you want to book your fitting today, then just go to dctuk.com. It's really simple and easy and will only take 5 minutes. But we're going to let our fitters get on with the job as they've got a lot more to do. You can find the FORBO and Milliken carpet tiles and vinyl on dctuk.com.